Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a beer called Tucher Helles Lager. But before we do, and you end up liking this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and hit that notification bell for more great beer reviews. I greatly appreciate it. So this beer comes in at a 5.2% with a 13 IBUs. I'm pretty sure it's 13. There's a few numbers out there, and it's not much. And this beer is a classic Bavarian style Helles Lager, brewed by Tucher Brau, and it has roots going back to 1672. Now this beer used traditional lager yeast, which ferments at a cooler temperature and produces clean, crisp flavors. This yeast contributes subtle notes of bread, a slight hint of sulfur, and helps to emphasize the malt character while keeping the beer smooth and refreshing. And we're going to see what it tastes like here in a bit. But we are going to see what it looks like first. I'll just say this right now, the best way to spend a Sunday is watching football with a nice cold beer. Has a golden color to it. At least a one finger head there. Medium carbonation. Looks beautiful. Beautiful. Well, yeah, definitely get the typical aromas from most lagers. Get that bready sense. A little bit of malt. I don't get no unpleasant odors or aromas. I'd say a bit of roasted malts, but nothing out of the ordinary. You can see the heads lingering on for a while. I remember some beer. I remember what beer it was. It was not flat, but as soon as I poured it, you saw a little bit of a head like this, that within 10 seconds it was dead. But it wasn't flat. Just like your typical lager, I would say it's very comparable to Budweiser. Maybe a bit sweeter, and maybe a bit, the aftertaste maybe. Trying to describe the aftertaste. And the aftertaste might come back about 5 seconds after you swallow it. It's not tart. It's not harsh. What is it? Gotta wait a couple seconds. It's a little bitter and very, very little bitter. Very little bitterness to it. But it's very good. Tastes as good as it looks, and that looks damn good. Damn good. Oh, I forgot to look on the bottom of the can. I kind of all out of sorts today. Today's Sunday. We had a big orgy here last night, and people didn't get out of here till 3 in the morning. Very small printing, but I could still read it. Looks like it was canned April 19th, 2024. It must be a goodbye date of July 19th, 2025. Then it has a quote on the bottom that neither you nor I give a damn about. Nor should we. It's very good, very light. It's not harsh one bit. You know, it's almost identical to, I think, Budweiser. And when it comes to lagers, it's just lagers. I'd say Budweiser is one of the smoothest beers to go down, along with a Michelob 1999 style. Now, I don't know what year the last time I drank Michelob before it changed, but it was around that time when it was good. That I remember. Probably was for a few years after. But that was a very, very smooth tasting beer. I thought one of the smoothest. That was years ago. They changed it. Or they discontinued it. Which in my opinion was very stupid. But everybody's got an opinion. That's just mine. So I would say this beer is going to be about a 7.5, between 7.5 and 8. You got to remember, I love lagers. That's my favorite love. I don't know if there's a code here. Something here. I guess they want to remind us this is an aluminum can. So nice of them to tell me that. But if you care about what a can looks like, there's my can. It will go up here, right next to that one. Pretty sure I got a room. And if you'd like me to review a beer for you and put it up on the wall, send us a beer. You can send 2 or 3 or 50 if you want. Take them all. My address will be in the description below. It'll always be there. And my address will always be here. Or over there. I'm actually on the other side of my house, which is a different address than my house. Or my side. I always call my side, because it's my side. And that's just the way it is. Well, I want to thank you for being here today, and that's probably going to do it. I'll just babble on. Kids running across in front of the window. making some noise right now. Now a dog's freaking out. There's a dog in the fence right across the street. Seems to always be outside. So this is a 7.5, no, 8. This is an 8. I don't know what the hell I said. It's Sunday, it's up late. It is what it is. So if you like what you see here, I want to see more just like this, or maybe worse, maybe better. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.